In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect CJ Dropshipping with WooCommerce. By the end, you'll have your store linked so products, orders, and tracking can flow smoothly between CJ and your WooCommerce site. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your CJ Dropshipping account and that you have admin access to your WooCommerce store. Having those open in your browser will make the process straightforward. Once you're in the CJ dashboard, look over to the left-hand side panel. Find and click Add Store. This is where CJ lets you connect different e-commerce platforms. A new screen will appear with platform options. From the list, select WooCommerce. Choosing WooCommerce tells CJ which type of store you're connecting and prepares the correct setup steps for that platform. Next, click Install. This action begins the connection process between CJ and your WooCommerce site. Depending on your setup, you may see a brief loading screen or a quick redirect. Don't worry, this is normal. The install step is essentially CJ preparing the integration and getting permission to communicate with your store. If your browser asks for confirmation or to open a new tab, allow it so the process can continue. After the install step finishes, you'll see your WooCommerce store appear in CJ. This is your indicator that the initial link is in place. If it's not immediately visible, give it a moment or refresh the page. It should show up on the store list area, confirming that CJ recognizes your site. Now, click Add Store again to complete the authorization. This is the step that grants CJ the permissions it needs to sync products and orders. Follow the prompts on your screen carefully. You may be asked to log into your WooCommerce admin and approve the requested permissions. Review them and confirm. If your site uses security plugins or firewalls, make sure they allow the connection to proceed. Keep the tab open until you see a success or connected message. When the prompts finish, return to your CJ dashboard and look for a connected or authorized status next to your WooCommerce store. That's it, you're linked. From here, you can start mapping products and handling orders without manual copying. A few quick tips. Use the correct store URL with HTTPS if your site has an SSL certificate, and ensure pop-ups aren't blocked during authorization. If anything stalls, refresh, clear your browser cache, and try again. And if you're working on a staging site, double check you're authorizing the right store. You've now connected CJ Dropshipping with WooCommerce by clicking Add Store, selecting WooCommerce, installing and authorizing through the on-screen prompts. You're ready to go.